Hi, this is Dr. Alexander, All Creatures Animal Clinic. I'm going to show you how to pill a dog to give them an oral medication like a capsule or a tablet. Lucy is a very good girl and she's going to demonstrate for us. Once you have your medication, there's a couple ways to do this where you can hide it in food or use a pill pocket, but some dogs are very clever and they're not going to fall for those tricks. So sometimes you just have to give them the medication itself. What you want to do is you want to always be careful because some dogs are going to be not so fond of this, but if you can, if they're a pretty nice dog, you have a pretty good, comfortable relationship with them, you can give it to them directly. You want to open their mouth by kind of going, if they're not going to open themselves, kind of reaching to the back and opening it up, or you can just kind of pull up their nose and get it to open up. And you want to kind of slide it in the back of their throat, at the back of their tongue, and then hold their nose up and closed. If you put it too far off to the side or it's too far forward on the tongue, they'll spit it out. So just wait for about a few minutes, about 30 seconds to see if they spit it out right away. And then you're just gonna have to go back in there and wash your hands when you're done. It's pretty easy. Some pills are a little caustic or chalky and those can get stuck in the throat. So it's always nice to give a little treat reward, a little food, a little water, something like that afterwards to help make sure it's washed down. Should we get you a drink of water? Yes? So pill pockets of different kinds are really useful. They're these little kind of doughy food substances. They're always made with a hole in them. And you can just insert the pill in there and wrap it around there. But sometimes you only need part of it. So you can make them stretched out. And also if you have to give meds multiple times a day, that's a little bit less calories for them each time. Go ahead and make sure your pill is sealed on both sides so your pet can't see it. And then go ahead and just feed it to them. Lucy, would you like this? That's a yummy treat. See, can you sit? Good girl. Are you a very good girl? Yes, you are. Watch it. Look a baby! Oh my goodness. What's that? Oh, that's mine. That's for me. Oh, that's a good dog. So sometimes if you can get them really excited about it and get them thinking that they're getting a treat reward, they're gonna go ahead and be a lot more enthusiastic about it. And even if you kind of act like it's something special, they might go for it a little bit better. She's a good dog. Yes, you are very good. Medications can be crushed up and put in your pet's food. This is a great way to give medications if it is a medication that can be opened up and crushed and that won't degrade it. If the pet will actually take it in the food and it won't put them off their food, and if they actually finish their entire meal. What you do, a lot of pill pockets have, this is a pill slicer. A lot of pill slicers have a slicer on the top and then a crusher on the bottom. You can put the pill in the bottom and then twist it shut to crush it. And then you've got a nice powdered medication. Make sure you get all of it out and then clean it when you're done, especially if you're using multiple different medications. This can work really well, be added to a wet food or something yummy, and can be really effective. Just check with your veterinarian and ask if this particular medication, whatever your pet is on, is appropriate for crushing. Some of them have a strong flavor and you want to avoid ones like that, and some of them are just not appropriate for it. If you don't have a pill crusher, usually 2 spoons that fit together nicely will crush most pills as well.